Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aska Johari. My SID is 130118444 and 3 and 9. And my friend Salsa.
My name is
Uh,
Salsa Bila Rinaldi. My SID is 13011844463.
okay, today we're going to present our project. There is classification, and first will be explained by Salsa Bila Rinaldi.
Okay, the main task of the classification process is to determine the label class, because the data given now is known with the label class knowing tomorrow. So in this task, we will predict the occurrence of snow or not in the future. Okay, in the line 1, as you can see here, this is the library that contains library that will be used to process the data. For the line 2, to load the data, where the first load data is the data train, drop ID is done because the ID is unique to make it easier. And after that, to run, we make the head 2, so this is the head 2 for the data train. And in this line, to load the data to be tested, this is for Salju train, and this is for the Salju test. We make the same to head to, so the conclusion is null and 1, 0 and 1. For this line, to change the existing data on line 2 and line 3 so that it become yes and no. And you can see here the x is yeah, and this is the lambda x is yeah, so change to yes and no. In this line, to see the class label that are null or none, we can see this is the result. The none is 2431, and for the counter this is 41 and 9. For this line, because the null data is the class label associated with the existing feature, we cannot input the data. Therefore we will delete the null data. And for the line 7, the evidence has been erased. As you can see here, there is none data in here. In this line, the data encoding convert data in the form of strings into integer. But in this line, for the train data. And in this line, the encoding data convert the data, but is for the test data in the form of a string into integer. In line 10, to see the data that is null for all columns, this is for the train data, this is the result. And in this line, to see the data for the test data that is null for all columns, and this is the result. This is the null column. And this line, filling in data for the train data, which is empty or null based on the most number of value that come out in each column. And for this line, to see the all data for train data in each column has been filled, and this is for the and this is the result. All of the data is full. Okay, the next is will be explained by Aska.
Okay, the next line, line 15. This is to see that all data, which mean test data in each column have been filled. Next, and then the result. In line 16, about scaling, this is to show the top to train data. For the line 17, this is to change the data, so that it has the same data range with where the range is -1 to 1. For the line 18, this is to send clean data. Just remove remove the data if we need. And then the next line, this is to see the correlation between all the attributes with the attribute snow tomorrow. And then there are the output.
And this is the result, as you can see here.
On line 20, this is to find the value that has the best correlation, because the data is a fairly low correction. The minimum correlation about 10% or 0.1. For line 21, this is to show column that have good correlation.
Because
So
the result
there are
is 13, so this is the result for best score.
yeah. For line 22, this is to assign the trend data and test data that have been scaling and searching for correlation. The next, modeling and evaluation in line 23. This is to determine X and yes, where X is the feature that will be used, while Y is the feature that will be predicted. For line 24, this is to load the library for KNN. And then line 25, which means this is n belongs to 200. This is to make prediction using the KNN library, and the accuracy is 0.84. For the line 26, n is 500. This is to make prediction using the KNN library, and the accuracy is same 0.84, which means the n even through the accuracy is changed is the same. Next, line 27. This is load the Naive Bayes library and perform the prediction. And then the last line, the result of the prediction of Naive Bayes, where are the accuracy is 0.79.
Okay, the conclusion is from this result, we can say the Naive Bayes classifier didn't perform well compared to KNN, but it got the best precision for level 0. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.